Good morning, friends. Welcome to our channel TDS News. I'm here with the latest news updates for you all. So let's start without wasting any time. Government of Jharkhand is giving 3 days holiday on Durga Puja and Dashara. Employees working in government offices of Jharkhand are getting 3 days holiday together on Durga Puja and Dashera. The first two holidays were declared on 24th and 25th October 2020, which was received by the Department of Personal Administrative Reforms and Official Language to 26th October 2020. It's seen in this way 24 and 25 October are Saturday and Sunday respectively, and after the Vijayadashmi holiday on 26th October 2020, the government offices will remain closed on Monday. A complete list of police and helpline numbers. Those who torture women in Jharkhand will no longer do well. An exercise has been started to curb crime against women in Jharkhand. Separate helpline numbers have been issued for all the 24 districts of the state or the instructions Jharkhand Director General of Police M.V. Rao so that women and girls can get information on it when needed so that the police can take immediate action. Education Minister of Jharkhand Jagannath Mehto's health improved. There is a lot of improvement in the health of Jharkhand Education Minister Jagannath Mehto. Except for lungs infection, all these reports are normal. The lungs will take some time to recover. His lung is badly damaged, therefore he was taken unconscious to Chennai from Ranchi. After a week, the lungs will also start working. This is according to the doctors of MGM Hospital in Chennai. More than 60 lakh found in a car during vehicle checking between Barmo Assembly by-election. Income Tax Department involved in investigation. Barmo Police Station is seen active in the Barmo Assembly by-election by check money transaction around 1 o'clock on Thursday. The SST team recovered rupees 16.25 lakh in a car, kept it in during investigation. Inflation hit potato 45 and onion 80 kg. Green vegetable prices also rise. The skyrocketing prices of green vegetables have raised people's senses. Potato half century. This is close to 50 rupees and onion century is ready to be planted. This situation has been impact for almost 2 months. The condition is that after such deliberation, people of middle class families are mustered by courage and buying 1 pav or half a kilo. Vegetables are now out of reach of the poor. Wholesalers say that the production and arrivals are low due to the which prices have increased. IBPS recruitment for 2,557 posts will be without final interview. Institute of Banking Personnel Selection conducts recruitment of qualified and dynamic candidates for the post of clerk. IBPS clerk examination. This is a 2-level process which includes prelims and main online examination. No interviews conducted for selection for this post. IBPS Clerk Recruitment 2020 is done on the basis of state and union territory, where the candidates have to apply for the vacancy in any one state or union territory while filling the online application form. Reinstatement in army, salary in lakhs. If you want to serve the country by joining the army, then there is a golden opportunity for you. Recruitment is being held in many posts in the Indian Army. Indian Army has recruited for 181 different posts in which those joining will get salary according to the 7th Pay Commission. 12 November is the last date for submitting a form or application for army job. Preparations of COVID-19 vaccines in Jharkhand. Health workers database to be made. After the announcement of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to deliver the vaccine of corona to all the people of the country, preparations have also started in Ranchi, the capital of Jharkhand. On Thursday, Deputy Commissioner Chitra Ranjan held an important meeting in this regard in the capital Ranchi. He told that a database of health workers will be prepared for COVID-19 vaccination. If you are stopping work due to lack of Aadhaar card, then do not take tension. If you have any problem with Aadhaar card, then this news is specially for you. Yes, UIDAI has clarified that Aadhaar card, e-Aadhaar card and PVC card will be considered equally valid. This means that any citizen can take advantage of the government by using one of these. Border Biscuits Company will pay rupees 40 lakh rupees salary for tasting 35 holidays in a year. Where many people have lost their jobs due to corona epidemic, at the same time during this disaster, a company is offering the best job. You may get shocked as soon as you hear that. Actually, a biscuit company is offering a job of 40 lakhs just to taste their product. That is, the monthly income will be around 3.5 lakh. According to the news, this attractive job is being offered by a Scottish biscuit manufacturer. The company has asked people to apply for job. Approval to run interstate buses from November 8. State government issued new guidelines. Buses will start running from Jharkhand to other states from November 8, 2020. During this period, the home quarantine obligations for those coming from outside in the state has also been abolished. Self-monitoring is recommended instead. Still, schools, colleges, educational institute, coaching, cinema halls, entertainment parks will remain closed as before. The screening committee held by Chief Secretary Sukhdev Singh has issued an order to give relaxation in restriction imposed in the wake of corona infection. COVID-19 updates. In India, 55,839 new cases have been confirmed, taking the total to 77,06,946, from which 702 new deaths have been recovered, taking the total to 1,16,616. Weather updates. In Ranchi, the temperature will almost be 19 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius and partly cloudy. Fuel prices. Petrol up to rupees 80.73 with a decrease of 0.27 and diesel up to rupees 74.58 with a decrease of 0.33. Special about today. On 23rd October 1981, US national debt hits $1 trillion. On 1993, paramilitia kills 22 demonstrators at Bij Bihara in Indian-controlled Kashmir. That's all for today's news. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, like, comment and share.